Well, it's already been a busy 24 hours, and we are still in the midst of a very stormy weather pattern, although a little lull in that activity. We're looking at Doppler radar in the next couple of hours. I'm not expecting any storm development. Should get us through the evening drive and any of those sporting activities that are going on over the next couple of hours. We are in the mid-80s. It's got that warm, really humid feel. And I'll say it, bottom line, the atmosphere is juiced and ready for some downpours and the potential of some strong to potentially even severe storms. Now, we've already seen our share of heavy rainfall. Got hit with a heavy round or two this morning. More storms last night. Look what occurred across northern Lenawee and Monroe County. Much of this falling just this morning. It was 2 to 4 inches of rainfall along and north of 223. That's up there toward Tecumseh, across the county line over toward 23 in and around Dundee. You got soaked with heavy rain both this morning and again yesterday evening. Defiant and Henry County, and these were areas that were in the midst of a moderate drought. Boy, you certainly eased that with a couple inches of rainfall. More rain and storms going to be firing. We told you last week this is just going to be the firing zone where storms are going to be erupting along this warm front. They're going to be tracking then through northern Indiana, and I do expect we get another round of storms that will come into the area tonight. It does carry the risk, at least a slight risk, across parts of northwest Ohio for strong to severe storms. Then that risk elevates for Tuesday, especially just to our south and west. That is an enhanced risk, level 3 out of 5. Biggest threats for us in northwest Ohio and southern Michigan will be torrential downpours and gusty winds. So what we're expecting with the next big impact, storms and downpours are going to redevelop tonight. I do expect they will carry the chance of some severe weather. Strong winds would be the main threat, and torrential downpours very low to just above a non-zero risk of a tornado, which means it would be a very slight isolated chance at that. So not really a concern with that, but heavy rain. Here it comes. One cluster of storms. Again, right along that warm front comes blasting into the area. Slow moving storms. Tonight, here's the clock, 11 p.m. And you can get an update. I'll be here tonight on WTOL 11 at 11, giving you the latest data on where this cluster of storms is developing. Comes through the area overnight tonight, tomorrow morning. Another cluster of storms tomorrow morning. Then we see the atmosphere destabilize and recharge. And this one could be a fairly nasty cluster of storms. Does it stay just to our south and west? It may just clip the area for Tuesday afternoon, but bottom line, we've got multiple clusters of storms that could bring torrential rain back into the area. Let's peek at the rainfall totals. 1 to 2 inches of rain easily still yet to come. Some isolated totals could top out over 3 inches where we get the heaviest of the downpours, and that is when some localized flooding could become a concern. Weather impact alert day tonight through tomorrow for additional rounds of storms. Could be one tonight, one tomorrow. Additional storms Wednesday, Thursday. And then we edge back into the upper 70s and low 80s into early next week.